I'm going to be showing you 6 ways how you can be making money with AI. Now, what you're actually seeing right here is from Corridor Crew, who are using a number of AI tools to create this great anime video. And you could be doing the same thing. Now, they're showing you how they did it, but you can be doing this for tons of people. They're interested in animation, storyboards, all these different things, and they are offering their services on sites like Fiverr. This is not sponsored, but this is a great place to see where people are making money and to reverse engineer how you can be making money as well. So let's scroll down for a moment. There are 6 different ways that we talked about in another video, exactly these 6 ways right here, talking about how you can use ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Dolly, AI chatbots, Mid-Journey, just to name a few. Now, the question becomes, how can you start making money using these things as well? The key is first looking at which one of these categories that you want to specialize in, and then click on it and see how people are offering services that you can offer as well. For example, where it talks about, let's go with Mid-Journey artists. It says prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? That is a term where you're giving the system basically a set of commands and you're being very specific to get a image. So you have to know how to prompt or to ask the right questions. Depending on what you're using, ChatGPT, Dolly, and others, you're going to have to understand a framework of how to do this. And there's tons of videos on this channel how to use the right prompt. There's going to be a link somewhere up above or something like that. Now, once you are familiar how to use something like that, you can go ahead and see how people are making money. Let's go to Stable Diffusion Artists. And just as a description, it says prompt engineering and editing for photorealistic visuals. So right here, you're seeing what people are doing. Right here, I will create an AI art or any character, custom art style using Stable Diffusion. So once we have this right here, we're seeing what they're actually giving. Prompt writing, that's their service. Prompt writing, prompt delivery, generated image examples, instructions, artwork, delivery. If we scroll down, it mentions what they can also do, talks about how big the picture can be, what they're going to be doing for the picture, and then basically how their packages work. $15, $20, and $40. We're looking at this person. They have 2 in the queue. They already have 38 reviews at 5 stars. And so we're seeing that they're getting work doing this. That's just one example. We can look again at, let's see, let's go to Chat GPT. Again, we can look at what they're building right here, and we can see how much they're charging and go on from there. This is just one way how you can be seeing how you can be making money with AI. You can be doing this from your own home. You can be doing this at your own leisure. This is brand new. These things are just now coming up. We're seeing that people are interested, and Fiverr would not be creating a category if this wasn't something that was very popular on the platform and people are looking for. So it's important to understand some of these terms, understanding what you can be doing with this, with AI and with machine learning and all of these things, and then being able to capitalize on it. We mentioned at the beginning different videos like this, right? Talking about using Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth. This is what a lot of people are looking to do, either to have proof of concept, putting out a new movie, creating an app. There are tons of different ways of using things like this to capitalize and to take it to the next level in business. If you're interested in seeing things like this, understanding more about Stable Diffusion, Dream Booth, and others, make sure in the comment section down below, let me know, and we'll make sure we'll do a video on it as well. All right, everybody, have a great day. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.